Welcome to our trading channel. This is Jenny from peakbinaryoption.com. The USD JPY pair experienced an upward trend in past hour. Now the price is near the resistance level of 146.73. So I placed a short position. The market moves down accordingly. I will monitor the market movement. There is only 1 minute left. I would like to wait the trade to expire to maximize the profits. There are many psychological traps in trading. You need to identify them and mistakes made before. Then you can improve the results. If you have any question, feel free to contact our team via email or Skype. Thanks for watching and wish you succeed in trading.